Hi, boys and girls. Today, we're going to talk about nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. What do you see? Very good. A flashlight, a person, and a place. Let's read this sentence together. This is a bird. Okay, I'm going to turn over my screen and let you all circle the nouns. Very good. So, that is correct. Bird is the noun. Let's try another one. Let's read it together. Here is my coat. Great job. Well, you all are very good at this. Okay, let's see. Let's do the next one. We'll read it together. Where is my lunchbox? That's right. You're so good at this. And lunchbox, that's the noun. Okay, we'll read this together. I'm going to the zoo. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, so person, place, or thing. Who thinks they can circle the noun? Aha, great job. Very good. Okay, let's look at this one together. Look at Billy. Very good. Billy is the noun. Okay, so as we've been looking at these nouns, we've been going over common nouns. Billy is a proper noun. Proper nouns are used for particular names of people, places, and things. They will start with a capital letter. So let's look at those. These are things that you see when you're out and about every day. McDonald's, First Colony Mall, Walmart. Who's ever been to some of these places? Oh, look good. Everybody, all of you. Okay, so let's look at this picture. It is a giraffe. Good job. So, is giraffe a proper noun or a common noun? That's right. Good job. It isn't. It's a noun, but is it the official name or a particular name of a person, place, or thing? No, that's right. It's not. So we would not spell giraffe with a capital letter. Okay, let's take a look at this next picture here. This is a picture of Central Park. How would you spell Central Park? Central Park is the official name of a park. That's right. It would be a proper noun. So can I get one of you to circle? Come on up and circle. That's right. Very good. Okay. Next. What do we see here? Grapes. What do you think about that? Would it be a common noun or a proper noun? Grapes. Common. Very good. This one, what do you see? Easter. That's right. Easter. It would be a proper noun. Good job, guys. What do you see here? Bottle. How would we write bottle? With a capital, like a proper noun, or lowercase? Common noun, right. Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to do a sort. I'm going to share my screen with you and let you all sort the words. So you can talk and help each other out as you sort the words. Cross them out as you go along. Let's go ahead and read the words together before we start. Apple, bottle, McDonald's, bird, Miss Harrell, giraffe, Walmart, flashlight, Central Park, First Colony Mall. So notice there are two columns here. One column for common nouns, one column for proper nouns. Remember, common nouns are people, places, and things. And proper nouns are the particular names of people, places, and things. Good. All right, so I will turn my screen over to you and let you guys help each other out. Great job. You all are doing so nicely. That's right. I am a proper noun because it's my official name. It's a particular name. And don't forget to cross them out so you know which ones you've done. Bird. I like the way you're all helping each other. Very good. Looks like you got them all. All right. Great job. You all did wonderful today. So for your homework, you are going to write in your journals. I would like you to find 5 common nouns in your environment while you're out and about with your parents the next 2 days. 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns. and then share them with us in your journals. Thank you all. See you next time.